Upholstery projects look simple until the staples start misfiring or refusing to sit flat. Picking the right tool can save a lot of time and frustration. This video is all about the best staple guns for upholstery, covering what separates each option and where it makes the most sense. These picks cover a range of prices, and each one fits different types of jobs, so watching the full video helps you figure out which one matches your needs best. You will find links to all the staple guns in the description. If this video helps out, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you stay up to date. If any questions come up, drop them in the comments section. Let's jump into the reviews and take a closer look at each pick. Number 6, Pneumatic 3-in-1 Staple Gun. Coming in at number 6, this one focuses on flexibility without going heavy on cost. It aims at people handling upholstery projects at home who want one tool to cover more than one fastening job. This manual option works with staples and brad nails, so switching between fabric, canvas, and lightwood tasks feels simple. The adjustable depth dial on top helps match softer materials or firmer frames, which matters a lot for upholstery work. A small window shows what fastener is loaded and how many are left, saving time during reloads. It loads from the bottom, and a quick release setup helps clear jams without tools. The body is steel with a chrome finish, paired with a rubber grip that helps keep control during longer sessions. It comes bundled with several fastener types and a remover, which is handy for starter setups. There are a few trade-offs to keep in mind. The handle can feel stiff, and some people may need extra hand strength during thicker materials. Long-term build quality opinions vary, and the included staples are not everyone's favorite. For a budget pick that covers many upholstery basics, this one stays worth a look for simple furniture refresh projects at home. Number 5, DeWalt DWH-TTR 510 5-in-1 Multi-Tacker. Sitting at number 5, this one leans into versatility for people who like one tool that can handle a lot of small jobs. It fits upholstery work, but does not stop there, which makes it appealing for mixed projects around the house. What stands out right away is the 5-in-1 setup. It can handle several staple styles, plus brad nails, so moving from fabric to trim or light panels feels straightforward. The easy squeeze handle is meant to lower hand strain, and many people point out that one-hand operation feels more doable compared to stiffer models. The body uses a lightweight metal housing, so it does not feel bulky during longer stretches of work. Loading uses a full strip magazine, and there is an anti-jam system built in. That said, some users mention jams still happen if the wrong fastener size goes in or if loading is done from the wrong side. Paying attention during setup seems to matter here. Strength feedback is mixed too. Some feel it drives fasteners deep, others say thicker materials can be a challenge. It comes in the familiar yellow look and includes a case for storage. For a budget option with wide fastener support, this one fits light to medium upholstery tasks where flexibility matters. Number 4, Aero T50 Heavy-Duty Staple Gun Kit. At number 4, this pick brings a long history into upholstery projects today. It has been around for decades, and that reputation shows in how it approaches simple, repeatable fastening. This one fits as a straightforward manual option built for fabric work on wood frames. It uses the common T50 style staples, which makes refills easy to find in most stores. The kit comes with several staple lengths, so moving from thin fabric to thicker padding feels flexible right away. A small window on the side makes it easy to check when staples are running low, helping keep projects moving without guesswork. The handle uses a high-leverage layout meant to reduce strain during repeated presses. That setup works well for chair seats, dust covers, and stretching canvas. The full steel body with a chrome finish gives it a heavier feel than compact models. That extra weight can help with control, though it does ask more from your hands over time. Some people mention hand fatigue during longer sessions, especially on dense wood. Jams come up once in a while, though many report smooth results with careful loading. For a budget-friendly classic focused on upholstery basics, this one earns its spot here for dependable, no-frills performance. Number 3, Aero PT50 Pneumatic Staple Gun. At number 3, this one shifts things up a notch with air assist doing the hard work. It's aimed at upholstery projects where speed and consistency matter more than squeezing a handle over and over. I like how this setup keeps things moving fast. Staples feed from a full strip magazine, and loading stays simple with a clear view of what's left. It works with T50 flat crown staples, covering common sizes used for chairs, seats, canvas, and fabric over wood frames. Depth stays even across materials, which helps finished pieces look clean and tidy. The grip has a cushioned wrap that helps during longer runs, and the metal body keeps everything feeling steady in hand. An adjustable exhaust lets air blow away from your face, which sounds small, but makes work more comfortable. Safety contact firing means it only shoots when pressed against a surface, cutting down on surprises. This option does need an air compressor to run, so it's not as grab and go as manual models. Some users mention mixed results with long-term durability, though many report smooth, jam-free operation for upholstery tasks. It lands in the mid-range tier. For furniture projects where time matters, this one brings a faster pace without overcomplicating the setup. Number 2. Aero T50ACD Electric Staple Gun. Landing at number 2, this option brings electricity into upholstery work for faster pacing. It targets people who want steady results without squeezing a handle every time. I like how simple the trigger action feels for fabric jobs on chairs, benches, and screens. Staples feed from a full strip magazine, and the low staple window keeps reload timing clear. It only accepts T50 staples, which keeps things focused and easy to match for wood frames and padding. The kit arrives with 3 common lengths, so starting a project does not need extra shopping. A contact safety tip means it only fires when pressed flat, adding peace of mind during longer runs. Venting around the body helps keep heat away from your hand, and the grip shape supports better control. The cord gives plenty of reach around furniture without dragging an extension everywhere. There are limits worth knowing. Very hard woods can stop staples short, leading to flattening or follow-up taps. This model does not offer depth adjustment, so material choice matters. Color options are available, and it sits in the mid-range tier. For upholstery projects that need speed with less hand strain, this one makes sense as a strong step up. Number 1. Mate MT7116LN Pneumatic Upholstery Stapler. Taking the top spot, this pick is built for serious upholstery work where clean results matter. It leans into air-driven operation, making long sessions faster and far easier on the hands. I like how narrow and long the nose is, letting it slip into corners, seams, and tight frame areas that wider tools struggle to reach. It fires small-gauge staples that sit flat and neat, which helps fabric stay smooth along edges. The magazine loads quickly, and the rubber grip cuts down on vibration during repeated shots. This model needs an air compressor to run, with pressure kept in the recommended range for best results. There is no safety tip, so it fires as soon as the trigger is pulled, which speeds up workflow but asks for focus around fingers. Staples must match the exact series, since standard manual staples will not fit here. Feedback often points to reliable feeding and consistent depth across upholstery materials. A few people mention driver return issues with shorter staples, so setup and staple choice matter. It comes in a silver finish and sits in the premium tier. For furniture, automotive interiors, and detailed fabric work, this one earns its number 1 spot today. So that's the full list of the best staple guns for upholstery. If you feel like watching more videos, check out the rest of the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.